motor up. Oh my god. Dad, right here. Holy shit. Holy shit, Dad is right there. OMG. Where's the other one, Dad?
Oh, it stinks.
Oh my god, Dad's going under. Dad, is he gonna go right under? Oh my god, Dad. It's gonna hit us. Oh my god, Dad. Is he gonna hit us? Dad, is he gonna hit us? Holy shit. Oh my god. It went deeper now.
Right in front of you, Michael, look.
I know, I can see it. Where's the other one, Dad?
Over to the other side of it.
Oh my god, Daddy. It's right there.
Hello?
Hello. Don't knock us over, please. Huh? Yeah, Dad. It's going. Oh my god, Dad, he's under us. Look, there's a... Holy shit, Dad, look. Oh, look at all the fishy around it. There's a suckerfish, look.
Holy shit, Mike's going to hit us.
Dad. Oh, Dad. Oh. Dad, he's coming up.
The other one's here too.
It's gonna come up. Dad. Oh. Dad, it's gonna hit us. Hello. Dad, pull the rope in. I don't know, my nose is blocked. It's right under us, Dad. Holy shit. What is it? There it is. Oh my god.
Enough footage?
They're coming this way.